Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a phone, Samsung Galaxy S7. To clean it, we need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard. If it's too hard, it will scratch your phone. We can use a little piece of plastic like this or any other that has a pointed end just to check the port after cleaning, to see if anything is left on the sides, and we also need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, which will soften the dirt for us and then will completely evaporate, leaving no trace in the port. If you don't have access to or can't buy such a stick, which you can get on Amazon, what can you do? On Allegro, in such a set, you can also use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or very worn out, otherwise you'll scratch it. We need to turn off the phone before cleaning. Never clean a phone that is turned on. That's the most important thing. We prepare the toothbrush thoroughly. The alcohol is propanol, 100% pure. We take the turned off phone in our hand. Here we have the charging port and we clean it. With a steady motion in one direction, repeat 10 to 15 times, then change direction. We insert it all the way to the end, the little hook, and we move it along. We insert it all the way to the end and move it along, and do this 15 times. Then in the other direction, from the other side, we insert it into the port and move it in this direction again, so that we can fully clean the port, so it's completely clean. What if your port is very dirty? Or if it doesn't get clean after just one round, it's a good idea to repeat this process in each direction. Do it 2 to 3 times, which means 30 or 45 strokes. In one direction, then switch direction after 15 times and do another 15, then switch direction again and do another 15. Then the port will be perfectly cleaned and ready for full use. After the procedure, set the brush aside and take a piece of plastic. Make sure it's plastic, not metal, because metal could cause a short circuit and damage the phone. And simply clean the port. We clean it, going over from one end to the other, and we check if anything comes out. When you reach the very end, if there's any bits of dirt or a piece stuck in the corner, it might just come out right along with the tip, because it's compact and slightly rough. This is actually a micro USB, so you can only go underneath from one side, under the port, underneath. You can't get under the plastic that's inside because there's not enough space, but with USB-C you could still do that. And here, you just need to check the sides themselves. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol settle and evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.